You wanna create AI images, right? So in this video, I tell you 3 best websites to create AI images with free of cost. These 3 websites are totally free, and I also share a bonus in the last of the video, so don't skip it. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So our first website is Leonardo.ai. In this website, you can create images with free of cost. This is the best benefit of this website, and the other benefit is this website gives you 150 tokens daily, and you can create almost 30 to 40 images daily. And if you use multiple accounts, you can create multiple images, different variants. And the best benefit of this website can create images in every resolution, and you can adjust your own resolution, like for YouTube video, like for YouTube shorts, and any other resolution. And just click on image creation and enter your prompt and create your images. So our second website is Ideogram. In this website, you can also generate images in every resolution as same as Leonardo, but this is some different because this is more environment friendly and easy to use website. This website can give you almost unlimited tokens. I am using this website from last 1 week, and I never face any issue of credits or any other login issue, and simply set your resolution and generate images in 4 variants, and these all 4 variants are really impressive. There is no issue in this website and easy to use website. So without wasting any further time, go and survey this website. Lexaart, one of the most famous website, easy to use website, because in this website created only type which type of image they need, and this website give them its related images, like search and download your image, and you can also generate images from there. But according to my opinion, only search and use pre-generated images, which are really impressive and easy to use. And last but not the least, Capcut. You thinking Capcut is an editing software, but there is a new feature comes in editing software called AI generated content. In Capcut, go to this section and enter your prompt and adjust your resolution, and simply click on generate. And 4 variants are come to you, and you can convert it to HD and use anywhere. So these are the 3 tools that I personally using, and you use also to become viral. Like and follow if you need these type of more videos.